Welcome, today we will controlling our AC light bulb using the Blynk app from anywhere in the world. This is the second video of our series on IoT home automation and surveillance using ESP32 CAM. Kindly, like, share and subscribe to this video. This is the schematic diagram of the setup. We are using a 5-volt solid-state relay to control the AC bulb. Full parts and modules used in the description link. An NPN transistor tip 41C is used to base the 5-volt solid-state relay. The AC input as shown here is connected to be switched by the 5 volts relay at the live terminal. The breadboard view shows the pictorial diagram a bit better. Here is the breadboard view of the circuit. Up next, is the PCB diagram. The AC live line is connected to the output of the relay. This is the actual assembly of the circuit diagram. Now we move to Blynk to set up the app to control the AC light bulb remotely via IoT. Open up your Blynk app from your phone. Click on New Project. Give the project a name. Select the board you are working with. In this case, ESP32 dev board. Click on Add Widget and add a button. Enlarge and rename the button if you want. Select the PO on which the relay is connected. In this case PO 14. Toggle to change the button widget from push button to switch. Go to your mailbox and collect your auth token sent by Blynk. Copy that auth token and put it on the Arduino sketch next.